Welcome to Breakout EDU Digital Game Design Junior. What is game design? We all love playing games. Games make us think because they require some planning or strategy, often involve teamwork, and are fun. Instead of just playing games, you can create your own Breakout EDU digital games, and our friend Keela is going to help show you how. A Breakout EDU digital game is played on a computer, tablet, or other device. The clues and locks are all digital, meaning they are unlocked or opened online. Even though they are on the computer, they still require you to use some teamwork and problem solving to break out. The puzzles in a Breakout EDU digital game may be pictures, words, or a secret code. The fun part is that there are no instructions. You need to look at the picture or figure out a code to solve the puzzle. We will work together to solve these puzzles a little bit later. A great Breakout EDU digital game has two main parts, the story, or why do we need to break out, and the puzzles or clues that help us open the locks. This story and clue are from a game called The Wolf's Den. The big bad wolf has trapped us in his den, and we need to open the locks so we may break out. To do this, we need to figure out the path the wolf took as he visited each of the pigs. What 5 directions did the wolf travel in order to stop at each of the pigs' houses? The wolf traveled down and then right to reach the straw house. He then traveled down and then right to visit the stick house, and then the wolf needed to go right again to reach the brick house, where we know he huffed and he puffed, but he didn't get in. The wolf could have also gone right first and then down. The lock has 2 possible solutions, which means that players have to try more than one combination to figure it out. Here is another clue from the Wolf's Den game. This one is for the text or ABC lock. The clue goes with the theme of the story because we are still trying to break out of the wolf's den. The pictures above are trying to tell us a word. What do you think the word is? When you find the first letter of each picture, the letters will spell a word. Did you get H for house, A for apple, P for pig, another P for pig, and Y for yarn? If you did, then I'll bet you are pretty happy is the word. When you create a Breakout EDU digital game, you have 5 digital lock options: an ABC or text lock, a number lock, a directional lock, a shape lock, and a color lock. Clues for digital games are most often 1 or 2 parts. You may use a picture, some writing, or a short video for the clue. You may also add extra writing for each of the clues if you think your players might need a little hint to solve the puzzle. Let's practice with each of the locks. First, the ABC or text lock. Our friend Keela is going to help us out. She has written one of her favorite words in a secret code. You may recognize the code from earlier. The code on its own might be a little bit difficult to crack, so we also need to add the key to the code. In this case, it is a reverse alphabet code where A equals Z, B equals Y, C equals X, and so on. Using this key should help you figure out that the first letter is P, the second letter is U, the third and fourth letters are Z, and the last 2 letters are L and E. This spells puzzle, which is not just Keela's favorite word, but also one of her favorite things. A maze also makes a great clue or puzzle because you and your players get to practice directional thinking. Keela's puppy is caught in this maze and is looking for his bone. Which way do you need to go to get to the end of the maze? Can you help him find it? The puppy headed to the left and then down, to the left again, down, and then to the right to find his bone. That is one happy puppy. Not only did he find his bone, he also got to stop and get a drink of water on the way. Keela loves the pond behind her house. She loves the sounds of the frogs croaking, and she can also hear the fish when they jump in and out of the water. Splat! She is using the fish, frogs, flowers, butterflies, and ladybug as the clue for this number lock. What do you think the 5-digit number is? If you do some counting, you will find 1 red ladybug, 9 orange fish, 4 yellow daffodils, 8 green frogs, and 7 blue butterflies. You will also notice the rainbow in the background. that will tell you the order for the numbers. Rainbow order, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue for a combination of 19487. Exercise is important, and Keela wants to get in shape by getting in the sack race at her school's field day. She's a little behind though, and it looks like she will be last in the race. The sack race is a clue that uses the shape lock. Do you see the shapes on each of the racer's sacks? What do you think the order of the shapes is for the combination? You will need to figure out who wins and the order in which the rest of the racers finish to figure out the combination. You will see the pig with the stars is in first place, the penguin with the squares second, monkey with the triangles third, zebra and the diamonds are fourth, and the cute puppy with the circles is in fifth place. That makes the combination star, square, triangle, diamond, circle. I wonder if Keela would have won if she had not been late to the race. Here Keela used pictures of her favorite animals for a clue, this time for the color lock. Did you notice that each picture has a frame of a different color? How will you decide in what order to put the colors? Keela loves to sing her ABCs, so she has decided to put the animals in ABC order, which makes the combination blue cat, purple dog, brown elephant, orange seal, and red tiger. Blue, purple, brown, orange, red will open the color lock. She might also have added something else to indicate the order, such as stars in the frames. This way the order would be orange seal, red tiger, blue cat, purple dog, and brown elephant. What other ideas do you have for this clue? Breakout EDU digital games start with a great story. Keela is busy working on a story idea for her next game. Will we have to help the little pigs escape the big bad wolf, or will we help her puppy find his favorite bone? ABC or text lock, number lock, directional lock, shape lock, or color lock. These are the choices you have when creating clues for your Breakout EDU digital game. Keela's adding some of her favorite clues to her game and can't wait to see what you will create. Just like other Breakout EDU games, digital games have winners and those who do not win. You may get a congratulations message if you figure out all the clues and unlock the locks, or time may run out on you. Either way, you'll have fun working together, solving the puzzles, and learning. Time for reflection. How does playing games help you learn? Let the game begin. It's time to play a game so you can experience all the parts of a Breakout EDU digital game. Visit the link your teacher gives you to get started.